Suppose we have a problem where it is said, it is asked that draw the adjoining diagram and by means of letters indicate the portions that will represent what they have given. Some fractions: 1 by 12, then 5 by 12, then 1/3, 1/4 of the whole area. I'm reading the question again. They are saying, draw the adjoining diagram and by means of letters indicate the portions that will represent 1 by 12, 5 by 12, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 of the whole area. Okay, now let me draw the diagram which they have given. Suppose I have a box like this. Okay, and it is divided into 12 equal parts this way. I'm just drawing it roughly, but assume it that these are 12 equal parts. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 equal parts I have in this whole area, and they have asked me to name the box. Okay, so I am naming it as ABCD. My whole area is ABCD, and I'm also naming the smaller box inside, say ABCD E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T. Good. Now I have to show which area is representing 1 by 12. See, I have 12 equal parts, right? So all the box I have, this box, all these 12 boxes we have, these are all of equal amount, equal quantity, right? And what is that quantity? If I represent them in fraction, they'll be 1 by 12, because each of these is one unit. If the total is ABCD is 12 units, then each of this box is 1 unit. And what is 1 unit of the 12 units? That means each part of the whole area, that is 1 by 12. So in the question they have asked by means of letters indicate the portions that will represent these fractions. So what I can write is, all these smaller boxes, say let me start from below. That means box A, or rather I should make it easier. Instead of naming this way because there will be so much. Let me what I can give. They have asked us to name them in letters, right? So I can give the boxes, each of the boxes I can give a name. Say this is A prime. Since I have marked the whole area as ABCD, I am denoting the boxes as A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, E. These primes are actually, you can also call them dash, E dash, F dash, this way, G, H, I, J, K, L, right? So all these A prime equals B prime equals C prime equals D prime equals E equals F equals G equals H equals I equals J, K, L. All these are equal to 1 by 12, right? All these are 1 by 12. The next thing which I have to show is 5 by 12. So I can take any of the 5 boxes. It can be A, B, C, D, E, these 5, or it can be B, C, D, E, F. You understand? You can take any 5 boxes from inside and that divided by the whole thing. That means that divided by 12. A, B, C, D. That is my fractional number, right? So let me take the first 5 numbers. That means A, B, C, D, E, right? Okay. So I can mark these 5 boxes this way, that I am taking this area. This area represents 5 by 12, and as I have given the name E, O, H, C, D, G, right? So area E, O, H, C, D, G, this area is 5 by 12, and as I have told you that whichever you take, you have to take 5 boxes from this 12, and accordingly you will get different areas, right? But for now, or for simplicity, I am taking only the first 5, and for this the area which I'll write will be A. What was the area? Let us see again. It's not A, it's E, O, H, C. It's not E, A, E, O, H, C, and some other letters also. H, C, D, G. D, G. So this area shows me 5 by 12. Clear? Next, which I have to show is 1 by 3. Now see, I have 12 boxes here. So the denominator, I have to keep it as 12. So this 1 by 3, if I want to make the denominator 12, what do I have to do? I have to multiply 4 with 3. I am multiplying 4 with 3, and also I am multiplying 4 in the numerator. So that 4 by 4 is 1. That means this 1/3 remains same. So this is actually 4 by 12, right? Here, when I have to show 4 by 12, I can take any 4 boxes from these 12 boxes, right? And that area of 4 boxes will be 4 by 12, because I'm taking 4 boxes out of 12 boxes, right? 4 out of 12. That means that area, let me show here in this figure. If you want to take these 4, the first first 4 I am taking this area, 4 out of 12, right? So the area which will show 4 by 12 is, I'm writing here only, area will be GHCD, GHCD, right? And what about the other number? That means 1 by 4. This also I need to make the denominator 12, because I have 12 whole numbers. So 1 by 4 with 4 I need to multiply 3. That means I multiply 3 in the numerator and denominator, and I get 3 by 12. And how do I show that in the figure? What I do is, see, here also the same thing. I can take any 3 small boxes among these 12. So if I take the first 3, that will be this area, right? And what is the name of this area? This is GNKD. GNKD. This area will be GNKD, right? I think this was the area. GNKD, right? So I have got all the 4 areas which they have asked to show from this whole area.